It's Margarita, and today we are taking it to a new house, the house of Skinpotion. I am yet again tardy to the party. How did I not know about Skinpotion, especially being someone who loves natural handcrafted products? Anywho, I gotta give a big up to Trinika Yearby, who is, if she's not an ambassador, she should be for the brand. She's a member of one of the fragrance groups that I'm a member of, and she makes sure that she spills all the tea on the cool new products. Now, she had been talking about Skinpotion for a while, and I was like, okay. I started looking it up. And I'm like, okay, this is really interesting because I saw that the products had to macerate before the creator sells them. Now, I am all about something that takes time and I don't mind waiting for it. That says, I think it's like either 3 to 6 months for each batch. So it's usually sold out. But they had a drop and I am so glad that I got in on it and had an opportunity to try it for myself. So I ordered quite a bit. I ordered 3 of these. Yes, you heard that right, 3. I gave one to my sister as a push present. She just had a baby and I wanted her to have something for her. So many times when people have children, we get stuff for the baby, but the mom is the one, that's going through all the stuff. So I'm like, you know what? This is something that she would appreciate because she too loves natural products and she also likes gourmand scents, just like her big sister. Cookie butter. It is interesting. I would have to say that the name may be a little bit misleading, and I say that because I'm picking up a strong coffee note. I actually get more coffee than anything, but it's not unwearable. For those of you all who watch this channel, you know I am not a fan of coffee. However, the way that the creator blended this is very wearable, and also it is very long lasting. I've actually used this oil several times, and you can hardly see the dent that is in here. A little bit goes a long way. This is amazing for fragrance, layering, and moisturization. Yes, I am happy to say that this not only moisturizes, but the smell projects to a point where you don't even need to wear a fragrance over this. My sister reported the same thing. She told me that all of her coworkers, she's a teacher, at her school, they would come past her room. Her students would be like, what is that? What's going on? And she says one day that she didn't wear it. Her colleague asked her, why don't you smell like cookies today? Or why don't you smell like, I forget what it was, some other cool pastry. He's like, why don't you smell like that today? Like people had expected her to wear it because it had become her signature scent. And this just over the course of a couple of weeks. This also has a real vanilla bean in it and it's used in the infusion. And I have to say, I love all of this. The quality is great. Now for an oil that is a bit on the pricey side, this was $99, but because you get so much out of a little bit, it's well worth the price. I also ordered 2 butters. I ordered the matching cookie butter. Yeah, butter. And Ambrosia. Now, the triple butter body butter. How many times? That is a redundant word. Now, how many times can I say butter in one video? Count it. Let me know in the comments how many times the word butter is used here. It smells good. But oddly enough, it does not smell like the oil, in my opinion. Let me know in the comments if you notice that the butter and the oil smell different. The oil, I get a lot of coffee. The butter, I get more of the vanilla. So it's really great to layer these. And honey, you will be greasy, and I mean in a good way. You will be moisturized all day. Your skin will be shiny. Your clothes will smell good, and so will your skin. Also, I've used this about 3 or 4 times. See my little finger dig. A little bit again goes a long way. This is what is this, 8 ounces? If you were to use this every day, I would say this would last you a couple months. That's how great this is. You don't need much. And the texture, it is truly like a nice butter. I really like this. Now for the Ambrosia, I bought this because of the name. Now, one of my favorite animals, in fact, my favorite animal is unicorns. Yes, I know they're mythical, but so am I. And I believe in lots of impossible things. Let me know in the comments if you do too. And Ambrosia is what unicorns eat. I'm like, well, hey, I must love this. And the description, it was described as gourmand as well. So I'm like, it can't be that bad, right? This smells good, but I will say this is a bit more floral than it is gourmand. Let me know if you've tried this and you agree or disagree and why. Maybe it's my body chemistry, but yes, this is a gourmand, but this is more of a gourmand floral, not a floral gourmand, if that makes any sense. I would classify this as a floral first before I would a gourmand. So while it's very nice, it was not what I was expecting from Ambrosia, only because it's more floral than I would like. That said, it is still wearable. This stuff is strong. I would have to say that the creator has made the fragrance ratio insane. This is like parfum concentration in a body butter. The quality is great. The price point, I would say, it's great for what you're getting because it lasts a long time. So don't be put off by this. And lately they've been having several drops, and I think they had a sale recently. So if you can get in on these, I strongly recommend it. There's a couple other scents I do want to try. They have a Kama Sutra crystal. Goodness. There's a couple others. I do want to try all the scents. Oh, there's a Costa del Sol that I want to try. Something else. Let me know in the comments what are some good ones for gourmand lovers. Nothing too floral, nothing too mature. And I think that's why I haven't ordered other scents yet, because I'm picking up, based on the descriptions, like floral, especially rose dominant, no bueno. And something that might be more mature, like spicy, also not a fan of that. But if there's anything that you think a gourmand lover would like, let me know in the comments. But all in all, Skinpotion gets 2 thumbs up from me. Let me know in the comments if you like this video, if you want to see more indie houses being reviewed, if there are some great ones that I should try. Let me know and I'll make a video for you. Also, like, comment, subscribe, and share with other fragrance lovers so that we can increase our reach. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.